Hey everyone, want to earn money delivering for Amazon in Canada? Here's how to start using the Amazon Flex app. First of all, download the Amazon Flex app from the official website. Create an account and complete a background check. Once approved, open the app and choose a delivery block that fits your schedule. The app shows how much you will earn and the time required. Head to the Amazon delivery station. Scan your packages using the app and load them into your vehicle in order of delivery. Follow the in-app navigation to each stop, drop off the package, and if required, take a photo or get a signature. Payments are sent twice a week via direct deposit. Track your earnings right in the app. And that's it. Sign up today and start earning with Amazon Flex in Canada. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.